lot to last from that.
I don't really get it.
No, bread, red. Joke is dead. Why don't you pick some more sunflowers, Richie? My Richard is back! Daddy is back!
What's the finance money that I need?
Oh, what's that, Tom?
It's what we have to use after I'm finished with red.
Danny, I'm gonna give it to you. Danny edited that video yesterday all by himself. That was very good.
I mean, events can't be done forever. You can be.
No, I actually.
He's secure.
I didn't know the background wall could fight.
Because he was painted red.
When are we getting a 10-minute vid for fuck's sake? You think you would actually want to make money?
You got your 10-minute video. What do you
Yeah, we did one. You guys didn't like it. It was the most disliked video on Left on Red and Racker combined.
You jerks.
Lee and Tom should have a greased up wrestling match. Why couldn't Lee be painted red so we didn't notice him? Hashtag no one likes Lee.
I wonder why your girlfriend's probably going to leave you this year. 2020 is going to be a bad year for you because...
Was Lee's factory. Oh! He took that to the head. Ow! Are you his fucking mother? Because it sounds like with your little whimpering.
Why are you wearing dad's trucker hat?
So why you look like a fucking failed tattoo artist?
After I'm done with you, I'm putting you back in the crib and I'm going to rock you to sleep.
Why hasn't the condom said anything today?
The only thing that a condom can do is cover the f***ing bald spots on your head.
Shut the f*** up! What are you, 16-year-old emo?
Your thumbs from a fucking petrol station? Shut the up.
Stupid wog. Maybe I might sleep with your girlfriend. I do a lot of research, so don't f with me, Jay.
You know what? No, f this.
No, don't
Saturday? Let's make it a handicap match.
I got an even better one. Triple threat.
3 greasy men, 1 ladder.
3 greasy pigs.
Fuck you!
Yeah, and someone's ass went through this wall.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god.
That's Sev.
Oh, well done.
That's 100% Sev. That's her left ass cheek.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.